Okay, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to just tweak the joomlamailer template that comes with joomlamailer so that you can make it your own. So the first thing you need to do is log into your control panel. I'm using an FTP program. I'm going to go to public HTML, administrator, components, and then down to joomlamailer MailChimp integration, and then a bit further down to templates, and then I'm going to pick a template that I want. I want the right column. Just double click on there, and then I'm going to create on my desktop a folder, and I'm going to call it my template, which I already have done, which is here. I want to copy all the files from here into my folder on my desktop, so I'm just going to drag them over. And this allows me just to style the template. I'm not really changing the template layout or fundamentals of it too much. All I'm going to do is just put in my header, change some colours, and add a little extra class so that the links in Gmail are the colour that I want rather than blue when people receive it in Gmail. Okay, once that's been done, go back. Okay, I'll just hide that for a second. So the only real thing that we need to change here is the header image. At the moment it currently looks like this, the header image, if I want to create a joomlamailer template. So I'm going to replace that with one I've created earlier. Now my header image looks like this. Alright, so I'm going to open up template HTML in Dreamweaver, and if I do split I can see the code there and some of the design. So I want to change a few things. So if I want to change this bar here at the top, just highlight that. I can see the colours. So the background colour here is set at 149, 152, 159. I've already done something here in the previous one, so I'm just going to copy that. So I'm going to change the colours to this and change the colour on here as well. And also I want this bottom bar here to be the same background colour as the top. So there it is. I want the colour of the text to be white. So there we go. And these links here, I want them to be blue. To be white as well. So alright, so I'm just going to copy this style here and apply it to this link here. Now even though we do this, and this is called inline editing, inline styling, Google still has its own way of coding these links up. So they appear white now. If I just go to the top here, we can see our styles that have been predefined already by joomlamailer. The only extra one I added was this, which is the style for styling the colours of links that you see in an email that you get in Google Mail. So I've just changed that. Okay, so I'll just click on here. So the other thing I need to change is my background colour. So no, it isn't. Hang on, I'll find you. Just one sec. Oh no, I've got it in here somewhere. Here we go, this is the colour that we need to change. So I'll put that there. That changes my colours. I also need to make this text white here at the top, so I'll just scroll up. Background colour. Okay, yep, I just need to make this, I can specify the hex values. White is 225. 225. And then just this other one here. Here we go. 255. 255. Oops. And then 255. So look, so there we go. That's how that looks. And if I want to preview that, I can just drag that onto a browser. It gives me a look. Now it's got all these tags in here already in place for use in your Joomla mailer. So that's the new look and feel that I was after. So I'm happy with that. I don't want to change it too much. Okay. So once you've done that, save your template. That's right. Okay, that's one I created earlier. Okay, and now we have a folder on our desktop called My Template. That's my edited version, and here is what it looks like. Alright, so I'm going to go back into my FTP program where I can see all of my other folders. So I've got Pixelfire, which is me, and these are the default folders that come with Joomla Mailer. I'm going to copy my template over now, which is called My Template. So it's got the file in, all the correct files, and my images, and that's going to upload. And then once that is uploaded, I'm going to log into the back end of my Joomla account, and that folder will be visible to Joomla Mailer to use when we create a campaign. So I'll show you how to do that in a second, once this is finished uploading. Okay, that's finished. Okay, so we'll come to the back end of our website. I'm going to click on Components and then Newsletter, as I already have Joomla Mailer installed. Alright, so let's create a new campaign. Just whizzing around. Campaign, I'll call it Test Campaign. I'll call this Test Newsletter. Yep. Content, I'm going to select from my choosing template. I'm going to pick my template, which is that. I can write stuff in here, or I can select content to be automatically inserted using this section below here. Choose a category, blog, and that just narrows my choice down. Things that I've written in my blog. Yep, there's some nonsense in there, probably need to clean that out. Okay, and then you can type in hello, and if you want people's first names to automatically be inserted into your emails, you just click first name for the merge tag, space, welcome to my newsletter, whatever. And now you can type and you can edit using the Tiny Mice editor here. Apparently Pete on Joomla Mailer said that they were having issues with the JCE editor, and hopefully they'll fix that, because that's a little bit more, there's a bit more functionality with the JCE editor than there is Tiny Mice. But you can always edit your stories, whatever you need to do in on another document, and then just use the HTML function, you know, to swap between HTML and the WYSIWYG thing, what you see there. Yeah, I'll leave that up to you guys. Okay, then the sidebar, you can decide what you want on there, include K2 articles from my blog, etc. So we can do that. Analytics, yep, folders. So I'm just going to do a quick save. Alright, now if I look at the HTML, that's how it's going to look when it comes through. Well, obviously I haven't written anything. Okay, so let's send a test. Send a test. That goes through. Alright, now I'll just check my emails. Okay, and here we go. I'm going to check my email. It's come through. And if I click on display images, okay, you can see that one link here and link here is white, yet for some reason it's still inserting blue links here with Gmail, so I'll have to sort that out, figure that out. I can use Firebug to do that. Just click on Firebug, click on this, and it gives me the link colour there. It's still pulling it in. So change that to white. That's how it would look. That's how it should be. So maybe I just need to get rid of the A, just have that LL, I don't know. I'll experiment with that anyway. So that's how it's going to look when it comes through into my email box, which I'm happy with. And obviously, if in the back end of your Joomla, if you're happy with that, you can always go ahead and send. But that's really how easy it was, just to modify a template, upload the folder, and start using your own templates. I hope this was some help. Not too quick. I hope I haven't gone too fast for you, but I think it's relatively easy, really. You can see what needs to be done, and that's that. Thanks for watching.